Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nvidia, and let's talk tech today. Remember those super cool flip phones we thought were the absolute bomb back in the day? Well, get this, they're back, but like on a whole other level. Foldable phones are officially back in the game, and they're not messing around. We're talking sleek designs, mind-blowing displays that fold like magic, and features that'll make your head spin faster than my brain trying to pick an outfit. So, if you're ready to dive into the future of phones, buckle up because we're going to unpack all the juicy details about the hottest foldable phones hitting the market in 2025. Get ready for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and a whole lot more. Let's go. First up, we got to talk about the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. You know, Google always got to be ahead of the game with their AI wizardry, and they're bringing that same energy to the foldable phone scene. Imagine this, a phone that unfolds into a mini tablet. That's exactly what the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is all about. We're talking a massive 7.6-inch inner display that's basically begging you to binge-watch your favorite shows, game like a boss, or get productive with some serious multitasking. And don't worry, Google knows you don't always want a tablet-sized screen in your pocket. That's why the Pixel 9 Pro Fold also rocks a sleek 5.8-inch outer display for those quick calls, texts, or sneaky Instagram scrolls when you're pretending to listen in meetings. This phone is packing Google's most advanced AI features. We're talking about a phone that learns your habits, predicts your needs, and basically becomes an extension of your brain. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is all about combining cutting-edge AI with a stunning, foldable design, making it the ultimate productivity and entertainment device. Next up, we've got the reigning champ of the foldable phone world, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung basically invented the whole folding phone thing, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. With the Z Fold 6, Samsung is all about giving you the biggest, most immersive screen possible. We're talking a ginormous 7.6-inch inner display that's practically begging you to get lost in your favorite movies, games, or whatever else you're into. But let's be real, sometimes you just need to check a quick notification or send a text without unfolding your entire phone. That's where the Z Fold 6's handy-dandy 6.2-inch outer screen comes in. It's the perfect size for one-handed use, so you can stay connected without feeling like you're holding a small tablet to your ear. And if you thought 2 screens were impressive, hold on to your hats because the Z Fold 6 can actually run up to 3 apps simultaneously. Multitasking has officially reached peak levels, guys. Now, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, the ultimate foldable phone for the fashion-forward techie on the go. Remember those iconic flip phones from the early 2000s? Yeah, the Z Flip 6 is basically that, but with a modern, stylish twist and a whole lot more technology packed into its compact design. The Z Flip 6 is all about portability. It folds in half like a powder compact, making it super easy to slip into your pocket or purse. And when you're ready to use it, just flip it open and voila! You've got a beautiful, vibrant display that's perfect for taking selfies, scrolling through social media, or watching videos. But don't let its compact size fool you. The Z Flip 6 is still a powerhouse of a phone. It's the perfect phone for anyone who wants to make a statement without sacrificing on features or performance. Okay, hold on to your hats, folks, because Samsung is taking things up a notch with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This bad boy is all about pushing the boundaries of what a foldable phone can do. And let me tell you, it's impressive. The Z Fold 7 is sporting a brand spanking new hinge design that's smoother than a baby's bottom. We're talking about a hinge that practically glides open and closed, making it feel like you're opening a futuristic book from a sci-fi movie. But it's not just about aesthetics. This new hinge also means the Z Fold 7 is more durable than ever. It can handle even the most clumsy of users, me, without breaking a sweat, so you can fold and unfold to your heart's content. And as if that wasn't enough, Samsung has also somehow managed to make the Z Fold 7's inner display even more immersive. We're talking about a 7.6-inch screen that's so bright and vibrant, it's practically illegal. Of course, all this cutting-edge technology comes at a price, and the Z Fold 7 is definitely not for the faint of heart or wallet. Now let's take a trip down memory lane with the Motorola Razr Plus, a phone that's bringing back all the nostalgia of those iconic flip phones from the early 2000s, but with a modern twist. Remember those super slim, super stylish Razr phones that everyone and their grandma wanted back in the day? Well, the Razr Plus is basically the cooler, more sophisticated older sibling. It's got that same satisfying flip action, but with a sleek modern design and all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a 2025 smartphone. The Razr Plus is packed with features that make it a genuine contender in the foldable phone market. For starters, it's got a surprisingly large outer display that's actually usable for more than just checking notifications. The Razr Plus proves that foldable phones don't have to be gigantic to be awesome. Next up, we've got another winner from Google, the Pixel Fold. This phone is all about seamlessly blending Google's signature AI prowess with the versatility of a foldable design. Imagine a world where your phone anticipates your needs before you even realize you have them. That's the kind of magic Google's aiming for with the Pixel Fold. It's not just a phone, it's like having a personal assistant, a gaming device, and a productivity powerhouse all rolled into one sleek package. The Pixel Fold boasts a spacious 7.6-inch inner display that's perfect for multitasking, gaming, or watching your favorite content. And when you need to switch to one-handed use, the 5.8-inch outer display is perfect for staying connected on the go. The Pixel Fold is all about making your life easier and more efficient, one fold at a time. Okay guys, get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to dive into the future of foldable phones, and things are about to get wild. We're talking rollable displays, expandable screens, and a whole lot of how did they even do that. Imagine a phone that's the size of a regular smartphone. But then, with a push of a button, the screen smoothly rolls out, expanding to the size of a small tablet. That's the kind of mind-bending technology we're talking about with rollable displays. These futuristic screens are made from flexible materials that can bend and curve without creasing or damage, allowing for a seamless, futuristic user experience. Imagine watching a movie on your phone, and then expanding the screen for a more immersive viewing experience. And it doesn't stop there. Now, let's talk about everyone's biggest concern when it comes to foldable phones: durability. I mean, nobody wants a phone that's going to crack or break the first time you accidentally sit on it, right? Well, the good news is that phone manufacturers are working tirelessly to make foldable phones more durable than ever. We're talking about next-generation hinges that are engineered to withstand hundreds of thousands of folds without breaking a sweat. These new hinges are made from super strong materials like liquid metal and carbon fiber, making them practically indestructible. Plus, they're designed with intricate mechanisms that distribute stress evenly across the hinge, preventing any weak points that could lead to breakage. And it's not just about the hinges. Okay, let's be real. What's the point of having a super cool foldable phone with all the latest bells and whistles if the battery dies before you even make it through half your day? No point, right? Well, the good news is that battery technology is evolving faster than ever, and foldable phones are reaping the benefits. We're talking about batteries that can handle even the most demanding power users, keeping your phone going from morning till night without breaking a sweat. Imagine a world where you can binge watch your favorite shows, game for hours, and scroll through social media to your heart's content without constantly checking your battery percentage. That's the future that enhanced battery life is bringing to foldable phones. And it's not just about bigger batteries, it's also about smarter power management. We've already touched on AI a bit, but let's dive deeper into how this game-changing technology is about to revolutionize the foldable phone experience. Get ready to enter a world where your phone knows you better than you know yourself, anticipates your needs, and basically becomes an extension of your brain, but hopefully less messy. Imagine a phone that learns your daily routine, knows when you wake up, when you go to work, and when you're most likely to use certain apps. That's the power of AI integration in foldable phones. Your phone will become your personal assistant, reminding you of appointments, suggesting shortcuts for your commute, and even recommending restaurants based on your taste preferences and location, and it doesn't stop there. So, there you have it, guys. The future of foldable phones is looking brighter than ever. From mind-blowing rollable displays to enhanced battery life and AI integration, these devices are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Foldable phones are no longer a novelty. They're quickly becoming an essential part of our daily lives, offering a level of versatility and functionality that traditional smartphones just can't match. Until next time, stay geeky.